Good morning, 10th class students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will learn applying styles in a document. Students, while working in Microsoft Word, we may want to keep all the headings in a document in center, uppercase, bold, and with a slightly larger font size than the regular text. For this, each time we need to apply formatting to the heading and have to go through the entire process to get the text the way we want it. If we define the formatting commands in a style, we can apply it anytime when required. Students, let us learn what styles are and how to define and apply them in a document. Styles. A style is a predefined combination of various formatting features like font style, color, size that is applied to the selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. Means before applying the styles, first of all we have to select the text. Styles category. We have five types of styles category in Word. First of all, paragraph. This style is used to control all the aspects of a paragraph's appearance, such as text alignment, tab stops, line spacing, and so on. Character. The character style affects the characters only. For example, it enables you to set the font and size of text or bold and italic formats. Linked paragraph and characters. This style can be applied to both the paragraphs and the characters. Table. The table style is applied to change the appearance of tables, such as apply shading to the cells and format the border of the cells and background color of the cells. List. The list style is used to select, format and insert numbers or bullets in list. Applying styles. We have two ways to applying styles, two methods. Applying styles from style group, applying styles from styles pen. Applying styles from style group means students words we can apply built-in styles from the style group of the home tab. Means built-in styles, predefined styles are available, and from the home group home tab we can apply it. Style group is available of the home tab. Next is applying styles from style pen. Apart from the styles available in the style gallery, Word provides another method to apply styles from the styles pen. It is a floating and dockable pen. To apply the styles from the styles pen, it's very easy. We can open the launcher and we can apply it. Learning objectives. Yes, students, we will learn creating a new style, modifying a style, updating a style, importing a style from another document. Let us learn it. Open Word document and type some text here. Here I have entered text and select the paragraph and move the mouse pointer over the predefined styles in the style group of the home tab to preview the effect of each style on the selected text. Now click on the desired style to apply it. From more options, more button is available. And applying styles from the style pen, click on the dialog box launcher of the style group of Home tab. Dialog box launcher is available in the Home tab. Yes, through this button we can open the dialog box launcher, and the styles pen opens with a variety of styles listed in it. Select the text in the document on which we want to apply the text. Now click on any style from the styles pen. The selected style will be applied to the text. We can see here. Now students, creating a new style. In the previous section, we have applied the built-in styles from the style gallery and style pen. Now let us know how to create a new style of our own for applying custom formatting. To create a new style, we have to follow some steps. Click on the dialog box launcher in the style group, and the styles pen opens. Click on the new style button, as I have clicked on the new style button. The create new style from formatting dialog box opens. Set the properties of the style such as name, style type and other in the paragraph sections. We can select the formatting options such as font size, font color, alignment, etc. from the formatting sections. Here I'm setting the properties. Style name, I have given my style. Font type, select your font type here. Then we can increase font size, bold, italic, underline, which property we want to apply, and color we can set, and click yes, add to quick style list. Make it activate and click on OK button. Yes, now we have created my styles. It will be available under the style group. We can see it easily. Modifying a style. How to modify a style? Means we can make the changes in the style that we have created. To do this, we have to follow some steps. Right click on the style that you have created from the style gallery. A shortcut menu appears. Select the modify section. The modify style dialog box will be appear. Make the required changes in the style such as name, type. Yes, right click here and select modify. Modify options. All the properties on dialog box with all the properties will be available. We can modify, we can make modification in the text. Select any one of the two options given at the bottom of the modify style dialog box only in this document or new documents based on this template. To update a style from selection, we should follow some steps. Open the document and select an existing paragraph. Format the paragraph as per our choice. For example, change font properties, alignment, and so on. Make sure that all the properties in a paragraph are uniform. That means we cannot keep different font sizes in a paragraph. Now, in the style pens, right click on the style that we want to update. Click on the style pen. Select the particular style. Make a right click and click on the update style name to match selection from the shortcut menu. We can observe that the selected styles will be updated with the new formatting effects. Importing a style from another document. In order to apply the same style to different document, we need to import them from one document to another. The process includes 3 steps: creating new style in a document with base formatting, importing styles to another document, applying the styles. Creating new styles, we have learned how to create new style. Now importing styles from another document. Open the document where you now select the document and click on the dialog box launcher in the style group of the home tab, and the style pane opens. Click on the manage style button from the bottom of the pane as it is given. Yes, click here. The manage style dialog box appears as shown. Click on the import export button given at the bottom of manage style dialog box. At the right hand side, import export button is given. When we click on import export button, the organizer dialog box appears. Click on the close file button on the right side of the dialog box. As soon as we click this button, it changes to open file button. Yes. In the open dialog box, click on the down arrow of the all word template box. Select all word documents from the list. Locate the file from where we want to import new styles. For example, my file I have selected here. The style of file including the new style that we have created will open on the right side of the organizer. Now applying styles, third step, click on my style by holding the control key and click on the copy button and observe the style being copied, imported to our document. Close the organizer dialog box. Now students, changing styles. The styles we apply in our document can be changed by using the changes style button on the style group of home tab. It has 4 options as listed below. Style set. Style set is a combination of title, heading and paragraph styles. It helps us format all the elements of document in one step only rather than formatting them separately. Colors. We can select a set of built-in color theme for our document from the color list. We can also create our own color theme by selecting the create new color theme option given at the bottom of the color. Font list display the built-in theme font that we can apply in the document. We can create a new theme font by clicking on the create new theme font. Similarly, paragraph spacing. We can set the paragraph spacing of the whole document by selecting any option displayed in the paragraph spacing list. We can also set the paragraph spacing according to our own requirement by using the option custom paragraph spacing in the paragraph spacing drop down. Students, today we have done applying styles in the document.